Good morning. It is Saturday, June 2nd, and I am going to attempt to vlog my weekend. It's sunny today. There's birds chirping. It's been cold and gloomy in San Diego for the last few weeks, May gray, but yesterday and today it's finally sunny, so I think we're going to go to the beach tomorrow, maybe today and tomorrow, or just tomorrow. So I'm excited. It's gonna be a good weekend. The sun just puts me in such a better mood. And let's go eat some breakfast. Brian finally decided to wake up. And now we're going to the gym, and I think we're doing arms today because we haven't done those in a while. So I will talk to you after the gym. What are we doing today? Are we going to the beach?
Yeah.
We're going to the beach today and tomorrow?
Yeah.
And tomorrow. 2 days of the beach. I'm excited. I'm gonna go die working out first though. We finally made it to the beach. There was lots of traffic, but we made it. I'm excited. It's kind of windy at the beach, but it's still a very nice day. I got ice cream, and it's bigger than I am, but it's delicious. And this is a good beach day. I've been back from the beach for a while now. I've just been kind of relaxing. I worked on some blog stuff. I added some pictures to blog posts and scheduled some blog posts. So that's exciting that I have stuff for next week already ready and prepared. The beach was really nice. It was perfect weather. It wasn't too hot. The light breeze made it perfect temperature, so that was good, and I hope we go again tomorrow. We haven't exactly decided if we're going again tomorrow or what beach we're going to. I'm going to keep reading. I'm reading Crushing It by Gary Vee, which is a really good book if you're a creator or entrepreneur, anything. It's a really good book. I would recommend reading it. I'm halfway through reading it, so I might do a whole separate video on that book, or other books that I find motivational or inspirational, because it's a really good book. So I think I'm just gonna chill, read some more of that, maybe watch some TV, make dinner eventually, and just have a pretty relaxed night. Just walking around and hanging out. I've really sucked at vlogging today, but there is a huge fire behind our campus. I'll show it in a second, but there is a lot of smoke. The sun is still really bright. There's ash falling. It's pretty big. It's our campus backs up to a freeway, and right across the freeway is a huge brush fire. Here you can see it. It's really bright outside, but there is a lot of smoke. And I've seen some pictures on Twitter and videos, and it's pretty bad. There's ash floating around.